lesson 2 is going to be all about four squares. I'm going to show you a strategy for comprehension that will increase your students' comprehension when you are doing read aloud books. And this is a strategy that I think you're going to love, and it shows the vertical alignment all the way from kinder all the way to high school, from read aloud books all the way up to star passages and novels. And so this one-page graphic organizer is kind of something that you could use across your whole campus, across your whole district. And lesson 3 is going to be all about practicing restating and answering questions. Lesson 4, we're going to get into preparing your kids to be able to write SCRs in second grade, which is going to basically just mean answering a question about a story and proving it with text evidence. And in kinder, they can do that by pointing to the picture, retelling a part of the story. So we're going to talk about how that applies to each specific grade level, how that looks different in each grade level. And then lesson 5, we're going to look into your specific TEKS for your grade level and lesson ideas for the most highly tested TEKS and what you can do specifically in kinder, first and second grade. Lesson 6 is all about practicing writing SCRs and using read aloud books. So in kinder, that's going to be oral, and towards the end of the year, it could even be written. And first grade is going to be oral and written. And in second grade, it's going to be oral and written. Okay, so I'm going to model that for you, show you read aloud books where I have these sticky notes. And then after I show you some examples, you're going to get to pull out your read aloud books and go ahead and put sticky note questions in your favorite read aloud books that goes with your curriculum. Lesson 7 is all about conferencing with your students on writing and non-negotiables. And then at the very end, we will have a feedback form